Welcome back to our channel, Code Internals. So today we are going to learn about JDBC. This is like connecting with the database. Okay. So JDBC is like Java database connectivity. It is an API in Java that allow Java programs to connect to the database, execute SQL queries, and retrieve results. It acts as a bridge between the Java application and the databases. So we have to use some of the like structured or databases like MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL servers. We cannot use these with MongoDB or unstructured databases. Why to use JDBC? Okay, like how to use, and we have to connect to the Java application. If we want to connect to the Java application, we have to use the JDBC connection to execute SQL queries and to insert, update, and delete the data from the database and retrieve results from the database. For these things, we are using the JDBC. So, in order to connect to the database with the help of JDBC codes, we have to like take care of some interfaces or these codes. So we have like already predefined some interfaces like connection, result set, and statement. So in order to create a connection with the database, we have to create an object of the connection, and we have to provide our driver information like which database we have to connect with, whether it is MySQL, Postgres, or Oracle. Here we have provided the MySQL database URL and the root and password of our database, and we have created a statement object and provided then create statement method. So this result set is used to execute a query, and this query is like doing the like fetching the records from the student table, select star from student, and here we are iterating whatever the results that we have with the help of next method and while loop. And after the our things is done with the database, we have to close this connection. Okay, so all these things we have to take care. So what are the disadvantages that like JDBCs, due to JDBCs we have like facing? So here we have to write all this boilerplate code where this manual resource management is there. It like error prone. There can be any errors or like anything like mistakenly we have add, or any mistake, or anything that we have to take care here, and it is hard to maintain as well. And there is a manual connection handling. So this connection we have to manually create, like manually have to close these things. So somewhere like JDBC is not like up to use in the production ready applications. So what we have, so for that we are the alternative of the JDBC is like GPA repository that is managed by set of rules, and it is JPA is a set of rules that is managed by Hibernate ORM framework. So that provides us a like ready-made connection with the database with the Hikari CP, and like we no need to worry about the database connection, execute query executions, and all these things. It will automatically done by the Hibernate. So that's it about JDBC. Thank you.